Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI, and I've got to face the facts. I'm not getting any younger, and sometimes I notice that my body does not react the same way as it used to different activities. So I've been really impressed with this UFlex knee compression sleeve. I have definitely noticed a difference in the discomfort and instability that I was feeling in my knee. But when I use this sleeve, it gives me just the right amount of support and control so that I feel like I can really continue to do those activities injury-free. This sleeve is really comfortable and the material is a nice thickness, so it definitely offers you that support and that little bit of compression, but it's not so thick that you feel like you are suffocating, and it's thin enough that I can actually put it over workout leggings or bike shorts and it doesn't bother me. It allows you to move freely, so I can do any activities that I want and still be able to move through my full range of motion. It's got this really nice silicone band around the top, so it allows it to really stay in place. And I chose size medium based off the sizing chart, and it was totally spot on. It fits me perfectly. This fabric is really breathable, it's moisture wicking, it dries really quickly, and it's actually very soft, so it's comfortable against your skin. In fact, I kind of just didn't even notice that it was there. So if you're looking for a way to get a little bit of extra support or maybe a little bit of compression on your knee, I definitely would recommend this compression sleeve from UFlex. I have been so happy with it. It's really helped me out, and that's my point of view.